Imagine this, you die and then your family has no idea where all of your assets are. This was the question that came in. How do I ensure that my family knows where all my assets are? Short answer is have a schedule of assets. But what if your family doesn't know where to find that schedule of assets? So folks, long story short, here at Modern Muslim Finance, we've been creating in case of death folders. Literally a folder with your name on it that your family is supposed to open up when you die. In that folder will have your Wasiat, your letter of wishes, your schedule of assets detailing everything that you have and where to find them, together with detailed instructions about what you need to do when I die. And so folks, have you prepared your in case of death folder? Because a good starting point is to have all of your login and password for all of your platforms, all of your bank details. Where are my bank accounts? Where are my jewelry? Where are all my estate and my property and everything that you maybe have? And so, in today's context, sometimes hard copy offline is the best way to ensure that your next of kin knows exactly where to find anything. We've done plenty of videos about where you should store your schedule of assets, how you should write your wasiat. Let me know in the comments, where do you think you should put your documents and how will your next of kin figure out what you have left behind? My name is Afiq. See you at the next Tanya Afiq. Assalamualaikum.